So she's a proud, fun, fierce, and calm woman.
So was there a point in your life, Pam, na parang feeling mo na ano ka din, or reincarnate, or rebirth, or reborn?
All of us get to a point where we are at the lowest, but I believe in the circle of life, so you cannot always be at the bottom. You have to raise yourself, you have to step up, you have to do something and prove yourself, and not only for the other people, but to yourself as well, that you can do it.
You mentioned you're also into concert management. How long have you been doing it?
Oh, about 7 or 8 years.
Wow.
I started right after I graduated from college. Slowly, and then my responsibilities become bigger, and now I'm in the concert management, concert tour management. So I work with Grammy Award artists, multi-platinum, so we do private and private concerts in Asia and all over the world.
Sino mo na yung mga naka-work mo na?
Actually, si Gloria Gaynor was the last one before COVID. It's actually also here in Grand Bowl, Okada. So that was Gloria Gaynor, and then Engelbert Humperdinck, Dan Hill, sometimes when we touch, and there's one, Peebo Bryson. He's sing the original Beauty and the Beast.
Yeah, I know.
Peebo Bryson. There's so many more. I forget. Yeah.
So, what's your point of view regarding the music industry ng Philippines? Like, di ba, we have SB19, Beanie.
Yeah,
sila ngayon
I'm really proud because we're dominating the global music industry. And working with a lot of musicians, I realized that Filipino are really a different kind of audience and music lovers, because there are artists that they don't know their song was a hit here. Like, I forgot about that song, but Filipino love it. It's just proof that Filipino love all genres of song, from 0 to 100 age. Like, we all love music.
May favorite ka ba na sa SB19 or Beanie song?
Estelle!
Yeah, napanood mo ba yun? Yung nag-viral na David Foster?
David Foster, grabe. So,
were you there or napanood mo lang sa...
Napanood ko lang. Yeah, I wish I was there.
Yung ano lang masasabi mo dun sa napanood mong performance style online na nag-viral?
Sana nandun ako. Sana napanood. Iba kasi mag-live. It's really different when you watch performers, artists live. The goosebumps, the music, it's like enchanting, intoxicating. So it's really different when it's live. So I wish I was there.
Okay. Thank you.